If you live anywhere on the East Coast from Washington, D.C. to Boston, you know that a blizzard is on its way. So many of you are probably wondering, why is it taking a while for the rain to transition to snow? Well, unlike the big winter storm in late January that caused a crazy amount of ice in the form of freezing rain and sleet, there's not as much cold air across the country right now. So most places along the East Coast started with rain today. But even though the air in most places today was above freezing in the upper 30s, three things are happening right now. First, cold air is starting to get sucked into the developing nor'easter that will be experiencing rapid intensification as a bomb cyclone, which, as you know from our last video, is when a mid-latitude storm intensifies and drops its minimum pressure by over 24 millibars in 24 hours. Second, the sun is setting, so the air temperature is naturally going to cool off, bringing us closer to the freezing point. And third, the rain itself, as it falls through the sky, is evaporating and cooling the air around it, much like how you feel cooler when you sweat in the summer. The evaporative cooling will further push the air temperature down by just a couple of degrees, causing the rain to switch over to snow. The timing of when all three of these things coincide is what will determine when your rain will switch over to snow. And because the temperatures aren't as crazy cold as the last major winter storm in January, the snow will be heavier wet snow, which will mean more downed power lines and power outages, and the heavy snow will also be harder to shovel. So when you're out there trying to clear your driveway, please take breaks and don't overdo it. In the meantime, please stay in and stay off the road unless it's an emergency. And if you must get in the car for whatever reason, be sure to have a winter survival kit inside the car with you. If you're stranded, stay near your car and your supplies. For more about what a nor'easter is and how it's different from other types of winter storms, check out the link below. And please, if you're watching from the Northeast, please stay safe out there.